Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Is your Cash App suddenly locked and your money stuck? Don't panic, I will help you to reactivate your blocked account. No stress, no guesswork. So first, we need to know why was your account blocked. Cash App may block your accounts for reasons like suspicious activities, example, unauthorized access or flagged transactions. Second, violation of terms such as fraud, impersonation, or illegal use. Next, too many failed login attempts. And lastly, verification issues like missing ID or fake info. What you will need to do to reactivate: a working phone number or email linked to your Cash App, a valid photo ID like a driver's license or passport, then access to the Cash App from mobile or website, anything can do. Then how to reactivate your blocked Cash App account. Step 1, try logging in. Open the app or visit their website, which is cash.app, then enter your email or phone number. If it says account locked or cannot sign in, continue to step 2. The step 2 is use the help options. In the app or at the bottom of Cash App support, tap support and then select cannot access account or account closed, then follow the prompts to request review. Step 3, contact Cash App support directly. Go to cashapp.app/contact, then choose something else, then account access issues or logged or blocked account. And you have to explain clearly, such as, my account was blocked and I believe this may be a mistake and I would like to verify my identity and regain my access. Step 4 is wait for their request. They will usually reply via email within 24 to 48 hours and they may ask for photo IDs, detail about recent transactions, confirmation you are the real owner. So the tips to avoid future blocks is always use your real name and correct information, and avoid sending/receiving from suspicious account. Don't violate terms of services like no fake giveaways, gambling, etc. And always enable two-factor authentication for added security. And here's some final notes. Reactivation isn't guaranteed. If the account was closed for fraud or legal issues, then it may stay blocked. And if denied, you can create a new account with a new email and phone number, but don't reuse the same info unless clear. If you're still stuck, you can call support at this number, which is only work in US, or ask via the app. For that, go to profile, then select support, and then choose something else. And that's it. If this helped you out, make sure to like, comment your question, and of course subscribe for more Cash Apps tutorial. So thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.